Let's make some naan in the air fryer. I'm gonna start with 3 cups of plain all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. So that was 1 teaspoon and this is half teaspoon more. 3 tablespoon oil. I'm using olive oil, normal oil is fine. A teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix everything. Knead with warm water. Add the water gradually. I've kneaded a soft dough. Now I'm gonna let it rest for 15 minutes. The dough has been resting for 15 minutes. Gonna drizzle a little bit of oil and just knead it to make it smooth. Reheat your air fryer for 5 minutes. Dust some dry flour on the work surface. Take some dough. Now I'm just gonna make a naan. Roll it out. I want a cute naan, so I'm not gonna roll it out too much. Just gonna make some impressions with finger. You can use a fork as well. I'm gonna use yogurt to glaze the naan. You can use milk as well, or egg yolk mixed with milk. Just gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on it. The air fryer is preheated and it's pretty hot, so be careful. Just gonna place the naan in. Oops. There we go. Now I'm gonna put this in the air fryer for about 7 minutes maybe. I'll just have a look after 7 minutes. Temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. Here's the naan.